The Zoom virtual background is available for your meetings, webinars, and your Zoom rooms. It's supported on Windows, Mac, Linux, and iOS devices. To get started, log into your web portal at zoom.us. Once you're logged in, navigate to your settings on the left-hand menu, and in your settings, click on or scroll down to In Meeting Advanced. Under In Meeting Advanced, you'll find the virtual background feature. You enable it by clicking the slider to the right. And the next step, we'll log into our desktop application and configure our virtual background. Once you're logged into your desktop client, click on your Settings tab, and first, take a look at the video. To get the best results from the virtual background, we'll want to make sure that our video is bright and evenly lit. This lighting is too dark and will result in something like this. This lighting is way too bright. This lighting is much better. When applying my virtual background image or video, having a well-lit workspace is key. In addition to lighting, I'm also utilizing a physical backdrop or a green screen. Your system may allow you to apply a background image or video without a green screen, but where possible, using a green screen will always yield the best results. When using a backdrop, be mindful not to wear any clothing that's the same color or very similar to the color of my backdrop. And this is why we recommend using a green screen, as it's the easiest to work with. My camera can also make a big difference. In addition to the built-in web camera you might have on your laptop or your computer, an external HD web camera will also yield better results. And when applying your images or videos, follow our resolution guides. You can find our system requirements and resolution guides by visiting our help center at support.zoom.us and searching for virtual background. Zoom will automatically detect the color of my backdrop when applying my image or video. However, if there's an inaccuracy, I can correct that by clicking on the color icon here and telling Zoom what color my backdrop is. I can also add my own images and videos. Click the plus icon and choose whether you'd like to add an image or a video, and these can be uploaded directly from your computer. Zoom will apply the virtual background that you previously selected. But if you're in a meeting and you'd like to change this, click on the little arrow just to the right of your video icon and select Video Settings. Once your video settings are open, click Virtual Background and select the new background that you'd like to use. Thank you for taking the time to view this short tutorial video. Our Zoom experts host free and interactive live training webinars daily. You can sign up at zoom.us/live training. Visit zoom.us/events to learn about other deep dive events into our products, features, industry trends, and more. Support's available 24/7. Visit our help center at support.zoom.us. You can browse our entire library of support guides by keyword, you can browse by topic, you can view all of our available tutorial videos, or submit a request via ticket or chat. Thank you, and consider connecting with us on Twitter at zoom_us, and visit our blog, blog.zoom.us.